Hey, Brian here, North Georgia Mine Freaks. Well, I'm back. For those of you that don't know, I had knee replacement surgery in December, so I was having trouble all last year and got the surgery done, and I'm probably about 90-95% good. So found a mine here with North Georgia Cavers. I call him Tim the Mine Hound because he finds everything. So let's check this out. Let me see. Give me one of my lights. Sorry. Let's do this. It's been a little bit. We've already came in and looked around a little bit. So, not a bad one. It's probably about, not quite 6 feet inside, but it's not bad. It's not the most stable, even though we do have some rock in here. You can see let me see, hold on a second. Oh well, just do it this way. So, I think this is the first mine that we've been in that we didn't find a beer can or a bottle. So, no one knows really about this. We didn't see any trash or nothing in it. There's back at it. And so, a little drop cave from a while back, I guess. So, it just got a little bit of a cave in. It's not the stablest mine, as you'll be able to, yeah. But stupid cave cricket jumped on my hand. It's not bad. It's a good find. First mine I've been in almost a year. My knees are doing okay. And you can see all the slashes, the pick marks, I guess. Yeah, because I'm 6 feet and I have to hunch over just a little bit. So it's not bad. And this is where we found a bunch of the rock. And then a big quartz vein here. As you can see it. You can see all the pick marks too. And then it goes, see, it goes back just a little bit farther here. Yeah, and then it stops right there. And we are literally on the side of a hill, steep hill. I'll show you when we get out, and you can hear the cars. Probably hear me echoing too. But there's all the veins. Looks like they've chipped stuff away from way back when, but man, we didn't find anything in this, so no one really knows about this one. So, just keep, it's not a bad little find. The first mine I've been in a year. I'm very happy. Just happy to get out in the woods again. And thanks for everybody for watching my channel, even though I've been kind of dormant for a year. We got a lot of info to check out. Unfortunately, my other knee's not the best either, so I'm hoping I don't aggravate it. I can keep doing this for a little bit more before I have to do something with that one. So, Here's the entrance, and there's tons of cave crickets. Let me get out. Here's Tim, North Georgia cavers. And you can see we are literally on the side of a hill, or a small mountain, however you want to say. And you can hear the cars.
Really close, ain't we?
Really close. But there we are. There's the entrance. I hope you like and subscribe, and I'll be posting some more videos soon. See ya.